guys, welcome back. Today I am going to do Gel X nails Valentine's Day style. If you want a completely beginner guide to doing Gel X nails, check out the other video on my channel. I'm going to go through all the steps, but I'm also going to do some more fun designs and things like that. So let's get started. So I've already cut my nails and filed them. I'm just going to buff them with this. Kitchen, which I never film here, but it's so much easier to do everything on my kitchen table, so that's what I'm doing today. So I just buffed them, washed them. Now I am going to pull out the Gel X nails and fit them to each nail. I have it written down from last time in my notes, which I'm so glad I did that, but I am going to file the nails a little bit better to fit my nail bed, so just filing it on the outside. I'll show you. So I am just drilling each nail a little bit so that the glue sticks better. So just a little. To just push back my cuticles. Haven't done that yet, so here we go. This slightly not gonna go too hard here. Okay, so then what I mean about filing the nails on the side, the acrylic nails or fake nails, whatever, Gel X nails, is if it doesn't fit your finger properly. For example, this one's a little big on the sides. You can just file the side down. So, like this. So it fits your nail better. Just gonna do a little bit of that. And then it is a better shape. So I'm going to do all of those, and then we are going to glue and cure them. Most of them look pretty good, luckily, and I'm just getting the dust out from when I filed them down. I already washed and dried my hands, so hopefully no dust on my fingers that are going to get in between the nail and my natural nail. Okay. Let's do it. So I have my little lamp plugged in here, and it's sensitive to touch, so when I put the fake nail on, I'm just going to cure it for 60 to 90 seconds. Here's the glue that I'm using, the Beetles nail glue. I'm gonna start with the pinky, make it a little easier on myself, so I'm putting some glue on my natural nail and then putting glue on the acrylic nail. So hopefully I can press it without there being any air bubbles this time. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. Put a little extra on the bottom, like so. And then starting at the base of my nail, pressing it down. Great, no air bubbles this time. A little glue spilled out over the sides. Whoopsies, what can you do? Putting it in the light, counting. Really want these to stay on, so I'm gonna go with more glue over less glue this time, but hopefully I don't have it everywhere. Okay, doing the rest of them. Definitely put too much glue on the pinky, but it's all right. Gonna try and get just the right amount of glue on this one. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. Okay, I got them all on. They're looking pretty good. I can confidently say that I am getting better at this, getting better at knowing how much glue to put on. It definitely helps when you put glue on your fingernail first and then on the fake nail so that it's a more seamless press on without any air bubbles, if that makes sense. I definitely got better throughout the process. Is there glue on my fingertips? Nobody's gonna know. Is there one finger that has a nail that's too big on it because I got them mixed up? Possibly, but you know, just pretend you don't know that. So I'm going to cut them because obviously I don't want like claws like this, and I'm going to file them. And then hopefully I can get one coat on before I have to go to the dentist, which my appointment is at 3, and right now it is 2:24. So this gives you an example at how bad my time management skills are.
You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. And twist myself at the spine.
Okay guys, I filed them all down, washed my hands just to get the dust off. I am going to do a quick coat of light pink just to not look like a crazy person when I go to the dentist. I only have 5 more minutes. Hopefully I can do like 1 coat or 2. And then when I come back, I'm going to do the hearts for Valentine's Day and finish up the nails. And so 1 coat, 2 coats maybe, depending on time, and dentist, grocery shopping, coming back and finishing the nails. Okay, I am back after going to the dentist and going to Trader Joe's. And before I went, I did 2 layers and also did the top coat, because if I don't do the top coat, it's going to be sticky. So this is what it looks like right now. Just did like a nice light pink. And now I'm going to try and do the hearts. So I have a light pink going on here, so I'm going to try and do the hearts in like a darker red color. I have all this gel polish dark red set. So I think I'll go with this one. This is also Beetle's gel polish, and this color is A423. And I forgot to tell you guys what pink I used, which was Gelin nail polish, and it was 223. So for the hearts, I'm gonna I have some tools here. I have this little tool, which I'm going to use, and then I have some brushes too. I also have this set of brushes from Amazon. I'll link everything below as always. Probably just gonna do like 1 heart on each nail. But just taking some of this red nail polish, putting it on the paper towel so there's like a glob of it. And then taking the tool, and I'm going to take the thinner side of it and just dip it in the red nail polish and see if I can draw a heart. Wasn't too difficult. Cute. I'm gonna do 1 on each nail in different spots. So just dipping this in the red nail polish. You can see I have just a tiny bit on this paper towel. Don't need much.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly.
Small, simple. I'm gonna do all of them before I decide to cure it, just to make sure that they all look good together. I'm now realizing this is gonna be really hard to do on the other hand. This is what I have so far. So I did another one on the middle finger. And I'm gonna do another on the thumb, just because those are larger nails. Okay, I got hearts on all nails, cured it. It was really tough to do this right hand because I am right-handed. Should think about that when you're doing a design, but looks pretty decent. Going to put on the top coat, and that's that. So the top coat that I am using is also from Gelin. It's a great top coat in my opinion, my humble opinion.
Baby, you give me midnight.
This is how they turned out. Yeah, it's pretty cute actually. I like it. I think I am getting better as time goes on, which is great. So I'm just applying some cuticle oil now. My nails have been through the ringer. I hope you guys really liked this video. If you did, click the subscribe button so you don't miss any future DIYs or fashion stuff or beauty stuff or anything else. Click the button, do it, subscribe. All right, I'll see you in the next video.